Our message to the Americans is they should not have any plans to attack Muslims again. Our message to all Afghans is we are going to protect them.
As you can see, these infidels destroyed the entire airport. They haven't left any machinery in good repair. We had a team ready to fix this mess ever since we came to Kabul. Now that the Americans have left, we are ready to clean it up.
I should build a future, I should study, so definitely if the situations are like that, that you should stay for 1 week just to take 10,000 Afghani $100 from a bank, so it's not possible to live here.